The completion of an object according to a ready-made design project can be a fascinating and inspiring adventure for a designer if Decho Design is your partner in this process. Italy is known to be top-ranked worldwide in interior design, furniture, lighting and decor. But recently Turkey provides us with offers for selection and delivery of reasonably priced, high-quality furniture. We are in Istanbul and we will introduce you to the leading company that will do the job for you. Design Tour could miss the chance to experience the unique Decho Design service personally. This is how we solve designers' problems while satisfying the client's needs. A design agency spends days and days creating 3D drawings of various projects, possibly remodeling them several times. Eventually, the client settles on a project he likes, but it's still just a visualization. It is at this point that we Decho Design come into play. We turn the project from a 3D visualization into a real interior using our products. For this purpose, we invite our dear designers and their clients to Istanbul for 3 or 4 days to choose furniture, materials and other interior products. The designer's work is related to the vision. A project must be visually pleasing. The selection of materials is made through the eyes. Color matching is also done visually. That's why designers need to give their eyes a rest sometimes. And the best way to do this is by traveling. A trip to Istanbul can refresh our designer, and this is one of the fundamental principles of our work. Our designers and clients come to Istanbul to select products, living in the historical magical atmosphere, having a good time, and then return to their countries after a short vacation to keep creating. It is our company that pays for the tickets and hotel accommodation. We visit about 150 showrooms in Istanbul with the designer and his client. Our client sees the model he wanted, tests it, and finally chooses the one he likes among hundreds of models that fit his budget. We find the real model for the project, and the ones that can be found anywhere else we produce precisely according to the customer's needs. We have 700 factories in cooperation with us in Turkey at the moment. 400 of them are furniture factories. If you ask me why 400 factories, I'll tell you why. In the furniture sector there are many styles and each factory has specific nuances producing a certain style. For example, the factory that makes modern furniture cannot produce classic furniture and vice versa. We produce furniture for the project in about 20 different factories. Quality checks are carried out by our expert teams at every stage of production. We constantly share this process with the designer and his client. Since the designer and his client see the photos and videos in the group chat all the time, there are no surprises later on. As a company, Decho Design also handles the logistics to the destination country. We have professional installation teams in every country we work with. We provide delivery and installation to the site. From the selection in Turkey to the delivery on site, we take full responsibility. We turn the virtual space on the drawing into the real one. As a company, Decho Design has realized more than 2,500 projects abroad in 15 years. Currently, we are active in 10 countries. Our team has representatives in all these countries, and they are highly motivated employees who are trained in the field of interior design and realize our goals at the highest level. We work with designers from different countries who appreciate professionalism and seriousness in our work. They believe in us and trust us. We are here for them. Each designer is both our friend and partner. You can feel Decho Design's care for its clients from the moment you arrive in Istanbul. Having worked in the design industry for many years, Hasan Gültekin believes that a designer's good mood is half the key to success. In fact, this is one of the main aspects of working with Deco Design and Hasan Bey. We prefer to work in a comfortable environment, and this work itself is an art, not a public service. We may eat a lot when we arrive and gain weight, but our sit-downs and relaxation contribute to the work, because you can't just think about furniture, accessories and chandeliers. It would be better to see it as the right balance between a pleasant vacation and pleasant work. When we did all the work ourselves, we couldn't find time to even get some water. All day long we walked around the showrooms, as there are a huge number of them here. We did not understand the essence of the work and tried to visit all of them. The more we walked around, the more we got tired, and it did not work. But having comfort is more important here, as well as the walks themselves and doing the necessary work, specifically its qualitative execution. We are relaxed, enthusiastic, taken care of, and we do our work better. We may even change the product as we may see something more beautiful, as in such conditions a person may come up with a different model. There is truly a lot to choose from. Turkish manufacturers of furniture, decor and related materials can offer an impressive range of products in any style and for any budget. You can see it all with your own eyes, visit the production facilities and test it out. This gives the designer the confidence that the project will be executed in the best possible way and quality. The exceptional expertise of Deco Design helps you not to get lost in the variety of options. The work on the selection begins even before the architects arrive in Istanbul. While still in Azerbaijan, we figure out what style of furniture we need and where we can find it. We discuss all these details with Hasan Bey. When we were working on our own, we could go to showrooms for about a week, and after a week we could find what we needed or not find some items at all. But now we can find everything we need within 2 days. There have been times when we have completed 2 projects in 2 days. One project took only 1 day because this person knows what showroom, store, company or where to find a certain item. It is much more convenient and simplifies our work. Regarding the problems that Deco Design solves, for example, before we were introduced to Deco Design, we were familiar with many furniture brands. In short, we came, looked, chose from different stores and brands, or we designed ourselves according to our projects. Sometimes we also took what we chose from the showroom. But after a certain time, the overall look of some products for project did not correspond to what was shown in the showroom, or some of them turned out to be problematic on arrival. It could be due to road or shipping damage or factory defects. Deco Design delivers the goods itself, ships them, installs them in an apartment or, for example, in a restaurant. If there is a problem, for example, a wrong color or material or impact damage, Deco Design solves these problems on site. This was a very important nuance for us. The work process, the control over it. Since then, we have collaborated with Deco Design on several projects. Among these projects were apartments, restaurants, cafes and others. So in the process of collaboration with them, we witnessed how much work they can do and do it very well. The uniqueness of Deco Design is that the transformation from 3D visualization into a physical space brings maximum enjoyment at all stages, from the selection of furniture and the pleasant vacation in Turkey to the finished result at the site. And this is proved by the incredible project of Own Partners Studio realized together with Deco Design. This is one of our latest completed projects. It's located in the city center. The area is 340 square meters. The project is designed in neoclassical style with neoclassical elements. Here, the kitchen, the studio and the hall are united, but there are glass dividers. The project consists of a master bedroom, a closet, 3 additional bedrooms and a workplace. The design was created in accordance with the lifestyle, character and preferences of the family members, as well as the furniture itself, was chosen according to this criteria. Basically, everything you see in the apartment, from the smallest accessories, curtains, coverings, lighting, everything you can see here was provided by Decho Design. And of course, the project was completed by the production of the same furniture we chose for this design. I mean, the fabric, the invisible details, the mechanisms, and of course the technical and exterior visible details on the products we selected were done by Decho Design.